So I think after a long time we see you together. You both sisters go for a shopping together. When it comes to saris,
Absolutely. So we are going to we shop together and we hang out a lot. She's like my baby sister.
So sweet.
I bully her, and whatever I say, she will listen. That's the best part.
so are you a sari lover? You both of you?
See, to be honest, I love saris, but I don't wear them regularly. But after meeting Ramya and such beautiful saris she just designs, so I'm going to wear saris more often.
So what kind of you sari lover?
Yeah, I wear quite often during marriages and all. This is the first time I'm interacting with her, and I love this sari. So maybe I'll interact more with her now.
You remember when you wear your first sari and first gift?
Oh my God. Okay, I think I was 14 or something. My grandmother put that sari for me.
Sweet.
And it was for my older sister's half sari function.
Okay.
And then, yeah, about that age, yeah.
So you were not saying, oh, what is very difficult, or you love that day? Wearing that sari.
I was very obedient. My granny decked me up with all the jewels. She said I have to wear it. We were one of those nice children, not like my daughter this generation. What is this? What is that? So I stopped buying jewelry for her because
Yes.
వాళ్ళకి ఏం నచ్చుద్దో తెలీదు. What my grandmother gave till today నేను వేసుకుంటాను.
that's a good message.
Those days were different. పిల్లలు అలా లేరు ఈ మధ్యన. What's your name?
I'm Neha.
Neha. Children are not like that. Like how
I
we
know.
were.
Even I have a daughter, I know I can relate to it.
God. Anything I say, you don't know, Amma.
Same.
It's not nice. You have experience with that.
Same.
Science for her.
Yes, they want different. So how you think that today's generation, you created a very good point, that our tradition, our jewelry can be actually forwarded
It's
to us.
timeless. See, our traditional jewelry or anything, even the designs, it's actually timeless and classic. They don't need to keep up with the fashion, but it's okay, their taste is like that. But I really appreciate that today's generation, they have a mind of their own.
Yes.
And they don't mince words. They don't have to, మనం కొంచెం పద్ధతులుగా we used to listen. They're not like that. And I respect that and I appreciate it because of their exposure, so it's okay.
And we're just waiting when we can Mahesh Babu sir and you can work together, both the rocking stars.
Please tell him no to put me in his movie. He's not giving me a role. Yeah.
Beautiful lady with
Exactly.
good act, full of talent.
We'll send this bite, send it to me, we'll send it to, because he won't see my interview also. We'll have to send
I'll
it
make
to
sure.
Please tell him, because I tell him also and he's like, what auntie roles you'll get at this age? Why you want? I said, so what? Anyway,
Work
jokes
is
apart.
work.
Jokes apart, I'm not interested anymore even if he wants me to. I've become a wellness coach.
Okay.
I'm done with movies.
But if something comes,
been there.
if something comes, you would like to go for them.
Something which is amazing. Otherwise, see, like Month of Madhu, I love my character. So something interesting, yes. Otherwise, you know what? I can't be bothered. Yeah. Telugu industry missed a good actress. Forget it. Too late.
True,
I moved on to be a wellness coach.
That's good. That's good. We just want to say, like Sitara and all the girls of your family, they're doing so well. What message you would like to tell them?
What? Sitara is magic. She's magical. She's like inspiration to all. She's amazing. Just shine, sweetheart. And we're all there. You know, yeah, I'm motivated and she's fabulous. So all the girls, and it's like an inspiration. She's put that mark there. So
In your childhood, you must have done something naughty pana, with your brother or sister. Rehta hai na? Anything you remember about Mahesh Babu sir?
Many things I've done. I'm not able to remember exactly what it is right now.
One thing that was naughty pana and you would share with your children.
He only used to pull my leg more than what, like changing pens and taking off the magazines and pulling each other's leg.
So he kept any name for you, because mostly brothers keep name for sisters.
Yeah, he'll call Bully Khan.
And your name?
my name is just my name.
My name?
He doesn't call me Akka. He'll just say Manju.
And what you call him?
Listen, is this an interview about Mahesh Babu? I've come to a store opening.
Okay, just
Not about Ramya anymore. Slowly
we
she
are-
sneaked up. All the chicks
Okay,
and girls
okay,
are
okay.
like this, yeah.
You should.
You want to talk about me or you want to talk about the
No,
superstar?
no, about
Now
you. Okay,
you let it out.
Okay. Cool down. Okay. So let's come back last. Cool down. Wellness.
Wellness.
Okay, last we'll end up by. I want the jewelry which you. When you go for choosing it, what comes to your mind first?
See, to be honest, I don't really choose jewelry. I'm not good at that. She helps me.
And this time she helped us.
She set it
Your
up.
favorite designer?
Absolutely, hands down. Ramya it is.
Great. And you are in Sakhi. The name is Sakhi's itself is brand like, friends. So like you have come with your friend, a sister baby, she's your friend. What a real friend means for you? Sakhi comes.
See, Sakhi is friend is someone you choose, and you're not born with it or you're anything. So Sakhi is you are choosing to come here.
Yes.
My choice.
Your choice.
Yeah,
Sakhi, one line for you is?
my choice.
For you, ma'am?
Same thing in a way.
Both of you good sisters, and the way today you're looking stunning. I think next time, very rarely we see both of you together. You both are busy in your field. So,
Hanging.
yeah, but we don't get the information. Where are you going, right? So today we got. So congratulations and thank you.
We'll call you hereafter.
Please do. And I'll share you the link so that we all want you together to be in that movie. You don't need any actor. You yourself is actor. That's
Tell that to me.
the woman empowerment. Thank you so much, ma'am. Talking to you.
Neha.
Yeah,
It's so
thank
nice
you. Yeah.